Hello everyone, this is Raheel. Today I'll be showing you how you can optimize your workspace to work on fine details while looking at the greater picture. So by looking at the two views at the same time, we have to have two instances of our project. So how we can do that is we can go up into the window and then click Arrange, and then click New Window. And then a duplicate window shows up as another project. But it isn't another project, it's just an instance of our existing project. To demonstrate this, I'll just take a brush tool, select the layer, and graffiti over it. It shows up in this window, and I can undo it from here as well. So whatever edits I make over here translates to this tab and vice versa. So to get two windows, all we have to do is go back up to Window, go back to Range, and then either choose horizontal or vertical. I'm going to go with vertical for this one. And now both instances of our project have shown up. You can zoom individually on whatever window you want. So if I select this window, then I can have a certain zoom on this one. So in our case, I'm going to be zooming in on this window to work on the finer details. Let's say I want to remove this boy's leg. And we have a zoomed in view on this area, and then we have a greater view in this area. And this really helps when you're working on the finer details and you want to see how it affects the final picture. That's the end of this quick tip for today. If you did like this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of this content. See ya!